Okay, señor, allá también.
Hey, okay. So we finished washing your antique Serapy. So it needs a lot of work, a lot of repair, not just the binding, but also here you see the old repair that somebody did here a while back. It's not professional. It have to be rebuilt original, the border, if you really want to keep the value of this rug. Okay? Also here, they put wool, but this is not, we have to remove it and do it originally. And of course you need it down here, all of this worn area here. Another video I take the other side of the rug. You see this border is being cut. See, we have to rebuild the border original. You see, there is no brown line. You have to make it bigger also. Somebody did repair like 50 years ago. But it wasn't done properly, you know. Like here, you see? You see that? This old patch we have to remove and reweave it original. A lot of work, this rug. It will take like 4 months.
Shiver in the dark, it's raining in the park, but meantime, sound of the river, you stop and you hold everything. A band is blowing Dixie, double fall time. You feel alright when you hear the music ring. Well, now you step inside, but you don't see too many faces. Coming in out of the rain, they hear the jazz go down.
Okay, your antique Serapy is ready. See, we rebuilt the border original. Nobody can tell it was repaired. Look, you see? All the rug complete, full restoration. This antique Serapy. Okay, here another from this side. Look at the frames we rebuilt for you, the border. So now when the rug have a good border, it have a good value. All done original, the binding.
Microphone. Say they'll last just as the time bell rings. Good night, now it's time to go home. the Sultans. We are the Sultans.